Okay, so this is just a quick video on the R1 Concepts slotted brake kit for the mk4 GTI. This is from Amazon. I got it for $169. Got to my house pretty fast. It wasn't supposed to get here until the 20th. I think it's the 13th now. And this is what comes in the kit. Nice packaging. These are semi-metallic brake pads. Nice. Those are the brake pads for the front. Been wondering how these brakes are going to work, and we'll put them on my GTI. These are the brake pads for the rear. Oh, they're tiny. And what I was really excited to see were the rotors. These are the rear rotors. Slotted. I mean, they look nice for $169. A complete set with pads. I really need to see what and how they perform. And then these are the front rotors. I was going to go with a cross drilled and slotted, but decided to just go with a slotted. And that's the front rotor right there. So I think this is a very, very, very good value. You get a whole brake kit for $169 on Amazon. I'll place the link on the description, and you can actually find different kinds of brake pads and brake kits for your car on Amazon.